All right, so this is what I got. See what's in it. Yeah, they're not chocolate. These are the hydraulic lifters for the valves and spark plugs. I got parts everywhere of these Nissan. Pull the engine out because we have coolant leaks on these hoses. So I decided to just get it done. Plus, it seems that we had rats living here. This car was parked for about, I would say good 16, I would say 15 to 16 years. My sister had it. Originally, it was my car. I gave it to my sister, but she, I guess, let it sit there. So it rotten a lot of parts on the inside. It's been on the sun, if you guys notice. The rain tray or rain gutter, it's gone. I hope I can get one on eBay or somewhere. If you guys know, let me know. So this is it, the engine bay. We gotta do some maintenance. That, it's bad. So we're gonna go ahead and clean it up. Hopefully that's not leaking, because if it does, all that inside is gonna have to come out. Anyways, I got a cherry picker here, or engine hoist. I got parts everywhere. These are my cylinder head bolts. Kind of curious. These bolts, not all of them are the same length. So I decided to put them in this box. I'm sure a lot of people know about this part right here. It's a pain to get it out. But anyways, because you have some, well, all these coolant lines in the back and it won't come out. So we're gonna do fuel injectors. We're gonna send the cylinder heads out for inspection and cleaning. This is my engine block. Exhaust manifold. More parts. I got all this first label, just in case. Too many parts. And this is it, this is my hood. And I got more containers for the rest of the parts. Hopefully this project comes out good. I'm sure it will. And the main reason I took the engine out is because I noticed all these pipes are getting rust. I guess my sister hired this mechanic. He did an oil change back in the days and he drained and refilled coolant, but it wasn't coolant, it was just straight water, so it ran the engine block. So we're gonna do some maintenance on the engine block. Hopefully we can get all the rust inside. Maybe work on these freeze plugs or replace them now that it's out. Well, I hope I don't have any other issues. We're gonna replace this, maybe do maintenance on it. That's it. I'll keep you guys posted. Or by mistake, I'm sure a lot of the sea owners, I broke my pulley. Big mistake. Gotta get a new one. So my engine block doesn't look that bad. It's looks really good, but we're gonna pull these pistons out, maybe set new rings, check the block, I'm gonna play. We're on TVC it right here. And replace all the seals. As I said, I'll keep you guys posted. I love the candy box. It came out handy.